In this video, we are going to show you how to add a TikTok feed to your website using Elfsight. Now, go to elfsight.com and sign into your account. Once you have logged in, go hover or click on the widgets option here, like so. And under social, it's the very first tab, right? Go click on TikTok feed over here, like so. It's going to bring you to the TikTok feed page. Scroll down until you see create widget for free. Click on that. You will now be slided to where you could actually just select the template you want to use. For example, carousel. Once you've selected your template, scroll down a bit until you see this green button that says continue with this template. Clicking that will allow you to edit everything. So TikTok shorts, the hashtag you want, the header, layout, you can edit that too. You can edit posts, and you can actually change the colors, edit style, light or dark, right? Fonts and customize elements. And once you're done, once you are very satisfied with what you've created, all you need to do is click on the add to website for free and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.